Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate using OpenID Connect in React Native apps step by step clearly. To authenticate using OpenID Connect in React Native apps, start by creating a new React Native project. Open your terminal and run the command to initialize a new React Native app. Next, install the necessary libraries for OpenID Connect authentication. Use the package manager of your choice to install the React Native OI client or a similar library. Once installed, configure the OpenID Connect client in your app. Create a new configuration file to hold your OpenID Connect settings. In this file, define the required parameters such as the client ID, redirect URI, and authorization endpoint. After setting up the configuration, import the library and your config file into your main app component. Initialize the OpenID Connect client using the configuration settings. Now, create a function to handle authentication that redirects users to the OpenID provider's login page. In the authentication function, use the client instance to request an authorization code. Handle the redirection to your app once the user successfully logs in. Implement a callback function to process the authorization code received from the OpenID provider. Exchange the authorization code for tokens using the token endpoint. Store the received access token securely in your app state or a secure storage solution. Create a login button in your app's UI that triggers the authentication function when pressed. Add logic to manage user sessions based on the presence of the access token. Finally, implement a logout function to clear the access token and redirect users to a logged out state. Ensure the app properly handles token expiration and refreshes tokens as needed. With these steps completed, your React Native app should be able to authenticate users using OpenID. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.